The Kalahari of southern Africa is part of the greatest expanse of sand on the surface of the planet. Here, in the Kagalagadi Transfrontier Park, arid dune lands stretch for hundreds of miles. It is an unforgiving place that tests its hardy inhabitants every day. A steenbok, just half the size of a springbok, makes its way through the dunes, closely watched. The cheetah seems to be weighing her odds. She has 3 large and hungry cubs. Cheetahs are said to run faster than any mammal on Earth. But the steenbok, too, is swift and agile. The outcome is never sure. The steenbok's large, sensitive ears are well tuned to predators. Yet the cheetah will attempt to stalk to within a few yards of her quarry and take him by surprise with her final sprint. This little buck knows every twist and turn in these bushes. He has hair trigger responses and runs like the wind. To get a clear path to her prey, the cheetah detours around the scrub. With long legs for drive, a long tail for balance, and a spine that acts like a spring, the cheetah is built for speed. But the steenbok, too, is fast and fueled by desperation. Kalahari cheetahs have far more misses than kills. This time, she beats the odds. The Kalahari is harsh and nearly waterless. The animals that live here must endure extremes of heat and cold, and dust storms that can block out the sun. This thirstland often pushes the cheetahs to the limits of what they can tolerate. Like their prey, the springbok, they rarely need to drink. But springbok have the edge. They're far better adapted to the fierce Kalahari heat. The dry courses of ancient rivers thread through the sand dunes. These riverbeds, with their nutritious minerals and salt-tolerant plants, are the preferred habitat of the springbok. Springbok are born to run. The main prey of most cheetahs in the Kalahari, they manage to outlast, if not outpace, the short, swift sprint of the cheetah. This looks like fun and games. It's called pronking, and why they do it, nobody knows. It may confuse predators or discourage them in a show of fitness and agility, or just be training for the big events that could claim their lives. But whatever the springbok do, cheetahs will be watching. The mother and her cubs follow the show with close attention. Young springbok rams lock horns and spar among themselves in preparation for the day when they will challenge older males for their territory. Sometimes these sessions seem as fierce as the real thing. Someday they will fight for the loneliest and most dangerous position in the springbok world. This is the winner's prize. A harsh, solitary vigil, staking out hard-won territory in the dry riverbed. He waits day after day, enduring heat, hunger, and predators, for a breeding herd to enter his realm. Meanwhile, the cheetah mother and her cubs devour a hard-won kill. But a hyena, with its unerring sense for an easy meal, homes in on the cheetah family. For the timid cheetahs, it's no contest. One cub shows some attitude, but cheetahs are no match for the powerful jaws of a hyena. Everything they eat. Her prey is hard to